Alright, good morning you guys. Welcome back to another video. It's another early one today. We've been up since about 6:30, getting ready and meeting up with Sam, his homie Sebastian. So we got a big meetup going on right now. We're about to, you can hear Sebastian's car, fucking loud ass E92 M3. We'll try to pull up next to him. We're about to meet up with a few of his other homies. So we're all gonna meet up at a gas station right now. That's where we're headed. Got an M2 here. We got my boy Sam's car. Clean ass E92 with a little bit of camber. That shit's sick. That shit's so loud too. Fucking works. And then we got beautiful ass M4 GTS. Damn, this shit's so sick. Damn. This shit's hella clean. Damn. It's a beautiful ass day today too. We got a beautiful sunrise this morning. I guess we're gonna be meeting up. They're saying that there's a few more. We got another clean E92. Damn. Sick ass headlights too. Sheesh. Got some clean ass BBS's. Damn. Shit's nice. But yeah, we out here. About to mob out as a crew, waiting for a few more. We got another one, you guys. We got another Austin Yellow. Let's go. Yee, this fool slammed, man. Got the red interior, GTS taillights, legit ones. Damn, hell yeah, we got a clean ass crew. Look at that. Look at our lineup, yo. Hell yeah.
You're twinning today.
Right here. Kevin's car is beautiful. Hey. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna try and get some shots with the A7. See how much better it is.
Yeah. Like a little quick. That's why you also went.
Damn, look at the Supra though. Fuck. Must be making some power. Those lights up top look so hard. I just realized this is Nick's new wrap color. Shit looks sick. It's like a burgundy red. That shit's fire. Woo. Yeah. Got a few more E92s here.
No, women will notice those things.
That's why I got it.
That's funny.
Cool, bro. Thank you. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
How are you?
Picked up a shirt.
Oh, shit. Thank you.
Oh, man.
Yeah, the camera setup.
Yeah, you know, I'm trying.
That is expensive.
Oh, yeah?
I'm trying to get that same setup.
Oh, yeah? Honestly, I was thinking about selling it. AA Concepts right there.
That's why I didn't get one.
The GTR club right here. So far the meet's been pretty dope. There's a lot of sick cars out here. Got to meet Nick himself and just meeting a bunch of new people today, which is always dope. Super good turnout, so good for them. I did support them by getting a shirt. Got that Beamer Club. Let's go. Was really trying to get that sweater in black, but they only got the red ones today. Yeah, his cars in person are so sick. Crazy when you see the car in person, when all you've ever seen it was in videos. These cars look so sick. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it for today. I mean, the actual event itself was pretty sick. Huge ass turnout. Yeah, hopefully my YouTube channel can be just as successful at one point. Shoulda came down here. Huge turnout, but that's why I'm here, to help you guys if you guys couldn't make it out. Hopefully this was enough for you guys. One last little look at his cars. I wish he would have turned them on, but I know they're trying to keep it quiet around here. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, you guys. Alright, you guys, so we out. Hell yeah. Probably gonna go grab some food right now. I'll probably take you guys with us for that too. Day's not over, but the event was super sick. Yeah. Damn, got that good. You out here at Black Bear.
My first vlog.
Alright, you guys, so we kind of messed with the cars in this little parking spot, little drive-through or driveway, I guess. But yeah. Alright, Kevin, I'll see you, bro. Damn, so we all splitting ways right now. Stay tuned for these photos. Hopefully I got some good ones. It's pretty bright right now, It was a cool little spot. We were able to shoot all 3 of the cars. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. More content coming. Super happy I got to meet a couple of YouTube vloggers that I follow. So that was pretty cool. Hopefully one day in the future I can collab with them. But again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.